So this is the Star Wars Camtono. There's a big problem with it. The latches suck. Like I'm talking about. It just doesn't work, or it gets jammed in there forever. So the important bit is actually under here. So the problem lies with this guy right here. These are going to be in the future. But this... essentially, it doesn't close all the way, or if it does, it gets stuck. So it actually has to close like that. That's fully seated, and when you push this, it releases. Problem is, in order for it to fully grab onto, that's how it's not letting me go further than that. It's because this needs to be slightly up a little bit. Slightly up like that. And that'll allow for it to grab the rest of the way. Oopsies, hold on. There, like that. And now it's in fully. In order to do that, there's a little gap. It's better to have a little gap than none like this. What I've done is taken some of these, just pieces of plastic I 3D printed. They're 4mm. That's the important part. 4mm. I'm going to glue them in just so it wedges right there. And in theory, when I close it now, look at that. It closes perfectly and it'll release. That's all you need. A 4mm anything. So, boop. Ta-da. And that's what I gotta do. That's it. So I'm gonna glue these guys around under here. Just wedge them in slightly. And that'll be all the gap we need. That'll be the fix.